Hey guys, I want to do a quick review of these Tide Pods. I use Tide and Gain, both of them a lot. They're my favorite brands, and I just want to show you these Tide Pods so you know if there's something you want to buy. First off, these are your regular size Tide Pods. So some are extra large. These are your regular size. They do recommend that these are meant for cold water, and if you have a small load, to use one Tide Pod. If you have a large load, two, and if you have an extra large load because you have like an extra large capacity washer, you can use 3 Tide Pods. Personally, unless I have a really large load, I always just use one, and I think they work great, and you save a lot more money that way. I especially like when they have the oxy in them. I think that helps get stains out. Sometimes I buy ones that are odor blasters, but these smell great and they're simple to use. I also think these are great to send with your college student for the dorms, just because it's less messy and quick, and it helps them use the right amount of detergent. Super simple to use. Let me show you. I toss one in the bottom of my washer, and then I put my clothes on top. I had a large load, but I still just use one Tide Pod. My clothes are not super extra muddy. They're just normal wash, and I find that works plenty good. And again, another thing I love about this is those Tide Pods are meant to work in cold, and cold protects your clothes better. So I hope this helps you know if this is something you want to buy. You do get 57 packs in here, so if you're just using one pod per a pack, I mean, that's 57 loads of laundry, so I think that's a great value. And yeah, if you do have super dirty clothes, or you have a really large capacity washer that you're really filling to the max, you might need to use 2 pods. I really wouldn't recommend using more than 2, even though it says you can use 3. Personally, I don't think it's great for washers, but you do you.